Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for using Facebook on your PC. In today's video, we'll show you how to add someone to your restricted list on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by visiting the website or launching the app on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Settings to proceed. Step 5. From the left-hand side, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 6. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Blocking to access the blocking options. Step 7. Next to Restricted List, click on Edit to make changes. Step 8. To add someone to the restricted list, click on Add to Restricted List. Step 9. Search for the person's name and click on Add next to their name. By following these simple steps, you can add someone to your restricted list on Facebook. You've successfully learned how to add someone to your restricted list on Facebook using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.